Think of a cricket match. A team struggling at the start focuses only on defense. Protecting wickets, avoiding collapse, and surviving the opening spells. Once the bowlers tire and conditions improve, the same team shifts gears, playing aggressive strokes and chasing runs.
Over 93% of traders lose money in the markets. Not because of the market, but because of their mindset. Hi, I'm GC Sharma, founder of Ghar Ghar Investor, former head of financial education at the National Stock Exchange. After 3 decades in the markets, I'm here to help you trade with discipline, not emotion. Welcome to Bounce Back Trader, India's free YouTube learning series for traders who want to bounce back with clarity and confidence.
Trading works in much the same way. In the beginning, your only job is survival. You play defense by protecting capital and learning discipline. Once that foundation is strong, you can gradually move to offense, taking calculated risks to grow wealth. The transition from defense to offense is the journey of every successful trader. New traders often want to make money fast. They focus on offensive strategies right away: big bets, leveraged positions, aggressive option trades. This is like a rookie batsman trying to hit sixes on the first ball. The result is predictable: quick dismissal. Defense in trading means preserving capital, limiting risk per trade, avoiding over-leverage, building consistency rather than chasing profits. Until you master defense, offense is a dangerous fantasy. Offense does not mean reckless aggression. It means using your skills, knowledge, and discipline to actively grow capital once survival is secured. Offense involves identifying high-probability setups, scaling up position sizes gradually, using advanced strategies like spreads, iron condors, or straddles, exploiting favorable volatility conditions. The mindset is not take maximum risk, but deploy capital aggressively when conditions are right. Like in sports, balance is key. Too much defense, and you never score. Too much offense, and you collapse. A successful trader learns to switch gears depending on the environment. During volatile or uncertain markets, defense dominates. During stable or trending markets, offense can be emphasized. Mastering this balance is what turns ordinary traders into professionals. Consider Arjun, a new trader. He risks only 1% per trade, keeps strict stop losses, and avoids complex strategies. For 6 months, his profits are small, but his account is intact. This defensive phase builds confidence and teaches him discipline. When he spots a clear bullish trend in Nifty, he gradually increases exposure, moving from 1 lot to 3 lots. His discipline in defense allows him to confidently shift into offense without panic. In India, retail traders often fail because they jump straight into offense. They treat bank Nifty options like lottery tickets, risking entire accounts in a week. Professional traders, by contrast, spend years in defense, learning risk management, building systems, and protecting capital. Only after proving consistency do they move into offensive strategies. This is why institutions and seasoned traders survive, while retail investors often blow up. 1. Longevity. Capital preserved equals more time to learn. 2. Confidence. Small, consistent wins build psychological strength. 3. Reduced stress. Lower exposure reduces sleepless nights. 4. Better offense later. You cannot scale up effectively without a defensive base. The shift from defense to offense should be gradual, not sudden. Key signals that you are ready include 6 to 12 months of consistent profitability, comfort in following risk management rules without exception, a trading journal that shows a clear edge, emotional stability during wins and losses. Once these conditions are met, offense can begin, starting with slightly larger positions, experimenting with advanced strategies, and selectively increasing risk. Premature offense, scaling up without consistency in defense. Overconfidence, believing a few winning trades mean invincibility. Neglecting defense, forgetting stop losses or position sizing once offense starts. Impatience, expecting instant exponential growth. Each of these mistakes erases the hard work of building a defensive base. For advanced traders, defense and offense merge into dynamic risk management. Defense tools, diversification, stop losses, hedges. Offense tools, trend following, volatility strategies, scaling in. Professionals predefine defensive and offensive phases in their trading systems. For example, a system may automatically reduce exposure when India VIX rises above 20, defense mode, and increase exposure when VIX falls below 15, offense mode. The key mental change is realizing that defense is not wasted time. Many traders feel frustrated during their defensive phase, thinking profits are too small. But this phase is like a cricketer practicing defense in the nets. It builds muscle memory and resilience. Without it, offense collapses. The professional mindset sees defense and offense not as opposites but as complementary stages in survival and growth. Meera and Rakesh both start with 500,000 rupees. Meera focuses on defense, strict stop losses, diversified strategies, risking only 2% per trade. After 1 year, she grows her account to 550,000 rupees, a modest gain but with complete survival. In year 2, she gradually shifts into offense, scaling up positions. By year 3, she crosses 800,000 rupees. Rakesh jumps into offense immediately, betting heavily on weekly options. Within 6 months, his account shrinks to 50,000 rupees. The same starting point, but different outcomes, because one respected the path from defense to offense. Defense equals protecting capital, limiting risk, and surviving. Offense equals using discipline and skills to grow wealth after survival is ensured. Balance is crucial. Market conditions determine when to emphasize each. In India, retail traders often fail by skipping defense entirely. Professionals build a defensive base before scaling into offense. Review your trading history. Are you still in defense mode or ready for offense? If inconsistent, stay defensive, focus on survival, not growth. If consistent, start increasing position sizes slowly. Create rules for switching between defense and offense based on market conditions. Journal every transition to learn what works for you.
You've just completed another lesson of Bounce Back Trader. Remember, trade with discipline, not emotion. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and continue your journey in the next video. Let's change that 93% story.